Hey everyone, it's Pete from Shopify. Today, we're going to go over 5 ways to generate revenue through your Shopify Partner Program. For any links to the relevant help guides and resources mentioned in this video, check out the description below. As a member of Shopify's Partner Program, you have a lot of great opportunities to make some money, and we're going to cover each of these. Let's get started with the most common and popular way for earnings: the development store referral. This is when you build a development store in your partner account and transfer it to your client. The ability to build development stores is available to all partners upon sign up. Once the store is transferred and moved to a pay plan, you'll start earning a recurring commission based on the store's monthly subscription plan. This continues for as long as the store is on a paid plan and your partner account remains active. The more stores you refer, the more money you can earn. The next opportunity is plus referrals. This is when you assist in upgrading new or existing merchants to Shopify Plus. If you know a merchant who could benefit from upgrading to Plus, let us know by submitting a lead. This process requires you to be the first to submit a Plus lead for that merchant store. And similar to development store referrals, this is credited to you after the transfer is complete and the store is on the Plus plan. The commissions earned on this referral is also recurring. To continue gaining either of these referral commissions, you must remain an active partner by completing at least one referral activity every 12 months. Up next, the affiliate referrals. As an affiliate partner, you share a unique link with your audience, and any merchant signing up using your link will count as a referral. Applications for this program can be done through your partner account dashboard, and successful candidates will be able to take advantage of this opportunity. Eligible referrals grant you a one-time bounty payment. You can also build apps or themes for Shopify merchants and have them available on the app or theme store. This is a great way to earn money as it opens up the solutions you develop for sale to all Shopify merchants. Any earnings gained from this are in line with our revenue share policies for app and theme developers. Finally, we often have ongoing referral promotions that can change over time. Check out our guide on partner earnings for more details. And there you have it. Now we know how to earn as a partner. If you have any further questions, visit help.shopify.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.